back to my channel. So for today's video we are doing a college week in my life, and I'm doing the intro very fast because I'm getting very late. So I'm going to continue after I reach college.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he described by creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves.
Lunch break right now. 3 more classes to go, 2 practicals and 1 GE, and I'm already very tired, like very tired. But we're going to refuel ourselves and attend the classes. Bro is done with life. I'm sick. Yes, she is sick actually.
To clean the ceiling.
Hello, hi, long time no see. Okay, so today is Tuesday and I did not go to college today because I wasn't feeling very well in the morning, and it was also raining, so I had to skip college today. But nonetheless, yesterday I was so tired after coming from college. I entered home at around 6:15, and after that I took a nap and went to the gym. So I'll make a different after college routine video because it has changed quite a lot since the last time I showed it in a vlog. But tomorrow we have college again, so Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 3 days I'm going to be continuously attending college, and we will be having some sort of an event on Friday as well. So you'll get to know that if it happens in the vlog as it goes. But I haven't been uploading since the past 2 weeks because I wasn't really keeping very well. My health hasn't been doing great. But yeah, we are taking meds, so it is getting, I think, better, and I hope that I'll be more consistent with uploading now. And actually I have been consistent on shorts, so make sure you continuously check out my YouTube shorts because I do upload a lot. And with that being said, I think I'm going to meet you tomorrow morning, and we will continue with our long college days that never end and the work that never ends. Okay, stopping the rant now. So it's the next day, it's Wednesday, and it's 11th September today. Right now it's 10 and I'm leaving for college. I think I'm actually late. Because I slept again because it was raining, but then as soon as I slept it stopped raining, so I'm trying to make it to the 11 wala lecture, and I hope we make it in time. But right now I'm just gonna leave. We have college today till 3:30, I guess, and it's been raining since morning. So I hope there's no water clogging, or I don't have to swim basically. So yeah, fingers crossed, but let's leave. Hi Muskan. Okay, so it's currently lunch break and I'm really sorry for the bad lighting, but this is all we have got. Two classes down, 2 more to go, but we have just found out that the whole next week is going to be filled with submissions. सो कॉल्ड लॉन्ग वीकेंड सैटरडे संडे मंडे पूरा काम में जाने वाला है, सो वी हैव ज़ीरो रेस्ट, बट we can't do anything, so just go with it. पागल है क्या तू? It's just
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he described by creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that
do it, Shiva. Rate your GE class. Come on. Urvika has made her debut long back. ऐसे insights दिया है उर्विका ने.
moves.
We are done with all the lectures for the day. I look so worn out because I slept in the last lecture, but we did it.
The next day.
Maurice is back. Duolingo कर रही है तू? उर्दू? You are learning Urdu?
Yeah,
Why?
it sounds so cool.
She can't speak without coughing. Let's leave it.
It sounds so cool. That's what I'm trying to say.
But you are not cool.
Character.
Okay, so today is a Thursday. I forgot to do intro at home, but abhi after like my first lecture and my last lecture got cancelled, so we only have 2 lectures today. We are done with one. Right now it's ECA. ECA is like a free period we get on Thursday. We had nothing to do and nowhere to sit because today there's a fest happening by NSS, which is Kaale. So a lot of places are occupied, but we just came with Surya to see the dance hawk auditions, and I was just blown away with how much confidence people have. But we are just roaming around here and there क्योंकि कोई जगह नहीं है बैठने के लिए, and she's still stuck on her Urdu.
I just finished. Actually, canteen चल मुझे कुछ खाने को नहीं करना.
Okay, but the rain hasn't stopped since morning.
So then, why?
New stuff at Nescafe, chocolate, best croissant, better than Paris.
Do I look bad?
No,
No, you look
you look nice.
No, मतलब bad in the sense कि like messy.
No, you look like a college student.
With your headphones and your Crocs and your matching colors. Matching colors.
Your lipstick and your shirt.
Hi.
What's your name?
Shreya Rajput from Political Science Department. Bye.
Okay, so it's Friday and today is the last day of the vlog, but today also is most happening day. So basically today we have Bollywood day or the filmy day in our college where everyone is going to dress up as characters, and if you've already not guessed, I am Piku. I'm recreating this look but not exactly. I have the dupatta in my bag but I'm ready to leave. Again, I'm very late. Also, Delhi weather is amazing. It's literally like an hill station, and I am so excited to step out of the house, which is new at this time because it's like rush hour and I do not want to step in the metro, but then you get the views also. So yeah, I'm gonna leave before the Bollywood day. We have 4 lectures to attend, and then the Bollywood day, and then we're also going out. So yeah, let's go. She was half asleep. She was. ये तो आई एक लेक्चर के लिए. हद है. We have been here since 8:45 and the
more important than
last lecture has been cancelled.
what you used to say to me.
Yeah.
Every time I used to.
Exactly.
Because you guys skip more than I do. I have
You never come for morning lectures.
I do.
And even though we travel for like an hour, we come. You come from 15 minutes afar.
इसलिए तो और आने का मन नहीं करता है ना.
Wow.
In my defense, I have like 66K above in all of the classes.
Wow. Congrats.
Helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he describes by creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves.
Fine. Hi guys, this is Ridhi's vlog and we are here to go to Safdarjung.
Wow, why do I look so whitewashed? Look, I'm shining.
Wow, you are.
Emanating.
Bata.
Yeah.
You were the one supposed to vlog.
Oh, we are done with the event. We are now going out, skipping last classes, but submitted our assignments.
Be like us.
We like us smart.
Be sincere but also be smart.
Yeah, but it's raining, so we are thinking कि हमें जाना चाहिए नहीं जाना चाहिए, but हम जाएंगे.
Yay! See you guys at the other end.
Oh.
We are still here.
You guys remember?
तू इधर आ.
बारिश और तेज हो गई है भाई. It's a sign.
अकेला कर दिया इन्होंने.
We've been clicking pictures, waiting for the auto. We are going to Safdarjung.
So cute.
So cute.
भेज दिया.
How?
Go to northeasterns to mainland.
And then what about the south?
Hey, we do like a lot of South Indian food. We as in you.
Me, yeah. As soon as we step out, it starts raining so heavily, and when we are inside, it just doesn't rain. So lol. This is the place we came to. I'm just trying to reach home. I don't even know if you can hear me, but I think I'll end the video here. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.
Please save us.
Are you mad?
No, I am.
But it's actually no, it's flooded.
I'm like, oh shit, I've been doing this a long